Why, hello, this is Uncle James here. Today, in this video, we're going to look at 11 strategies or tips that you could take to build or rebuild your credit. Okay, we're going to look at different strategies and tools for reestablishing your credit. Now, number one, pay your bills on time. It is extremely important that you make payments on time. Now, your payment history is a large percent of your credit score. Okay, it is an extremely large percent. Actually, it's the largest percent. Okay, this is your credit history. Um, and number two, you need to keep most of your credit limit available. Now, this is called credit utilization. It is extremely important that you have a low credit utilization. If you have a real high credit utilization, that's going to bring that credit score down. So you want to keep that credit utilization as low as possible. All right. And then three, getting a secured credit card. Now I've done this step, I've used this strategy several times. When I started the process of rebuilding my credit, I was not able to qualify for a unsecured credit card. So I had to go the route of getting a secured credit card. Then I got several secured credit cards. And then a lot of those secured credit cards that I got, not all of them, but a large percentage of those secured cards that I received graduated and became unsecured. So initially you may have to go with a secured card that does not graduate to unsecured, but then over a period of time you should be able to get a secured card that graduates. It's extremely important. All right. Now, okay, number four, I've done this one as well. Get a credit builder loan and a secure loan. I've actually done both. I got a credit builder loan from a local bank where I live. The qualifier was direct deposit. Okay, I had direct deposit, and as a result of me having direct deposit with the bank, they gave me a credit builder loan or a credit rebuilder loan. I've also done the secured loans. I did that with a credit union. This particular credit union calls theirs a pledge loan. Okay. And one thing I liked about their pledge loans, well, it was just that it was a pledge loan and it really did help. Number five, become an authorized user. As someone, if you can become an authorized user on their account. Now, you do not want to get a credit card. You just want to piggyback off of their credit. You want their credit to appear on your credit. All right. Now, whoever you ask to do this, you need to make sure that they have good credit. That they pay their bills on time, that they're good with payments, and they have a real low credit utilization. This is extremely important. Okay. And the reason this is important is because whatever issues are going on with their or with that trade line on their profile, it's going to also appear on your profile. All right. Co-signers. Now, I've been a co-signer. I've asked people to co-sign. Some people are say yes, co-sign. Some say do not co-sign. It's a choice. If that's something, if someone is willing to allow you to be a co-signer, then make it work for you. This is a great way to reestablish credit. Okay, number seven, ask for higher limits. You want to ask for higher limits, higher credit limits. What this does is this decreases your credit utilization. So two things. It helps you in two ways. One, it decreases your credit utilization, but then also it shows that you can be trusted with a higher credit amount. Okay. Number eight, you want to dispute the errors that are on your credit profile. Now, there are laws in place that can deal with deal with errors. Now, you use these laws to help you get rid of errors that are on your credit profile. Okay, we use the laws for that. The federal laws, actually there are state and federal laws that governs this. Number 9, deal with collections accounts. Now you need to deal with those collection accounts that are peers that are on your profile. There are rules in place to assist you with how to deal with collections and how to deal with charge-offs, how to deal with errors that appear on your profile. And you use the laws we use the laws, the federal and state laws, to assist with getting errors off of your credit profile. Number 10. Now this is a great tool here. This is a great tool. You can, we all pay rent. Well, a lot of us pay rent and utilities. Typically speaking, when you pay your rent and your utility bills, they do not appear on your credit profile. It does not appear as a trade line. However, there are certain entities that will have your rent payments and your utility payments to show up as a trade line on your credit profile. This is a great way to rebuild your credit. And then a great healthy mix. Now you need a good healthy mix. This is extremely important. Okay, you need to have all different types of credit, revolving, non-revolving. Okay, it's very important that you have these different types of account, and this will help you. What's called a good healthy credit mix. Now remember, success leaves clues. Success leaves clues. Now you also need to get yourself a good mind movie. You need to see yourself being successful. You have to see yourself doing it. It has to be in your mind's eye. I am more than a conqueror. All things work together for good. These are some examples of PMA, positive mental attitude. All things that I touch works together for my good. I am blessed coming in and I am blessed going out. Okay, these are some examples. All right, some examples of a good PMA, positive mental attitude. Let me speak this blessing over you. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless you. May He smile upon you. May He grant you His favor, and may He continue to give you His peace. And may He also continue to enlarge your territory. This has been James. Have a great day. And remember, success leaves clues. Take care now.